Which came first, the chicken or the egg? A classic conundrum that has puzzled thinkers and scientists for centuries. But if we take a step back and look at this question through the lens of evolution, things start to make a little more sense. Evolution, the process that's been churning away for billions of years, is all about gradual change over time. This change is driven by genetic mutations, tiny alterations in an organism's DNA that can sometimes give it an edge in survival and reproduction. Over the course of many generations, these beneficial mutations can accumulate, slowly transforming one species into another. So, where does our feathered friend, the chicken, fit into this grand evolutionary scheme? Well, just like every other living creature on Earth, chickens are the product of countless generations of evolution. They didn't just pop into existence one day, they gradually evolved from an ancestral bird species. Now here's where things get interesting. At some point in this long lineage of not quite chickens, a mutation occurred. This mutation, or more likely a series of mutations, was so significant that it transformed the not quite chicken into the first creature that we would recognize as a chicken. But when did this transformation happen? In the middle of a dark forest, on the top of a high cliff? No, it happened inside an egg. You see, the genetic code that makes a chicken is locked within the DNA of the fertilized egg. So when that pivotal mutation occurred, it would have been present in the DNA of an egg, making that egg the first chicken egg, and the creature that eventually hatched from it, the first chicken. In conclusion, the egg takes the crown in this age-old debate. From an evolutionary and biological perspective, the egg came first because it housed the genetic mutation that led to the creation of the first chicken. It's a fascinating glimpse into the slow, incremental process of evolution, and a reminder that sometimes, to answer big questions, we need to think small, right down to the level of DNA. So there you have it. The egg, not the chicken, was the true pioneer.